Good everyone, you're watching Creative Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to never combine taskbar buttons in your Windows 11 machine. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the taskbar and then click on taskbar settings. Once you're on the taskbar settings, you will have to scroll down till you find taskbar behaviors. Expand taskbar behaviors. Under this, you will see an option which says combine taskbar buttons and hide labels. By default, it has been set to always. In case if you want to set it to when taskbar is full, you can choose this option. Now to never combine the taskbar buttons, you can always choose the third option which says never. With this, your taskbar buttons would never combine. And at the same time, in case if you have multiple displays on that instance, you may also choose the second option to never. With that, your taskbar would never combine in your Windows 11 machine. In case if you want to make further changes with the taskbar, like aligning the taskbar to the center or aligning the taskbar to the right, you can also choose this option. With this, this is how you can go ahead and let your Windows to never combine your taskbar buttons in your Windows 11 machine. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.